Happy Thursday, everyone. I want to explain two words my English students struggle to pronounce. Butter, batter. Butter, batter. Butter is Butter. I put butter on my toast. I put butter in my popcorn. The other word is better. Better is Better. Better means improve. Erica is improving in English every day. Erica is becoming better in English every day. Again, butter, better. Butter, better. Have a great Thursday. Bye-bye.